Hello everyone. So I was looking at this question on the community. A very simple question actually, but I wanted to make a video on this. And although it may seem simple, but it may not be very obvious how to do it in Jira. Now the question is from Vishal. Vishal is trying to understand how to get a list of all the issues that are probably created 2 days ago or not updated in the last 2 days and they are still unassigned. So a typical example could be that you want to know or you want to make sure that there are no issues created. It could be a bug, it could be, let us say, an incident that is not assigned to anyone for 2 days continuously, for more than 2 days. Maybe it's some kind of a KPI. Ideally, this kind of thing can be done easily using Jira Service Management, because you do have those SLAs where you can define something like this, because there is a clock which is always running, and you can actually use that SLA to figure out what needs to be done by when. Maybe if the SLA is about to be breached, maybe you can send an email. Now, there are some possibilities, although it may seem a very simple thing to do, but it is not exactly very obvious. What you can do is you can actually check for, because whenever you assign the issue to someone, the updated date is updated for you in Jira, and you can actually use this to figure out all the issues that have not been updated in the last 2 days and still unassigned. So a JQL could be very simple, something like this. So the first thing that we have to figure out is find out all the issues that are not being updated in the last 2 days or 3 days, whatever, or it could be start of the week, whatever works for you, and assign is empty. Of course, I think these are the two main bare minimum queries that you need to begin with. Of course, you can always add more queries to focus on maybe your own project or component. I mean, you can also add more queries to this. Now, if I show you maybe a simple working example, if I go to my Jira instance, what I can do is, of course, I can take a look at the issue navigator. And by the way, if you're trying to learn issue navigator, or I should say JQL, of course, JQL is quite powerful, or of course, it can do a bit more than normal search functionality, but always try to use the basic search first. For example, if you want to figure out all the issues based on updated date, where the issues are updated in the last maybe 2 days, or the last update, or the updated date is basically in the last 2 days, something like this. So you can do something like this, updated within the last 2 days. So these are basically going to tell you, so this will actually going to tell you all the issues updated in the last 2 days. But we want to do something which is not, or basically where the update date was not in the last 2 days. So you can do something like this, where you have, or basically I have in my Jira instance, 531 issues. Yes, a lot. And most of the issues are unassigned, but of course it's just a column. What I will do is I will add a column here, assignee, maybe I'll do something like this, and assignee is empty, right? So if you do this, you will only get the issues that are, come on, I think I clicked on the wrong link. So basically, this is of course going to give you all the issues that are unassigned, and where updated date was not in the last 2 days. For example, if I update this issue, let us say this one, SSPA 24, maybe I'll transition it. So the count should reduce to 500 instead of 501. A simple thing to do, but you should know how to do it if you are using Jira, and it will make your life easier. And that is all I wanted to talk about and share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.